Welcome back. Around 50 workers are protesting at the Pisurule Industrial Estate from Saturday. They claim that one of the packers' company has cheated them. They are tired of false assurances by the company. They have demanded confirmation letter and hike in salary with immediate effect.
These 50 workers of Suraksha Packers Private Limited are agitating outside the company from Saturday. They claim that they are cheated by the company. One of the workers also informed us that company has failed to increase their pay and has failed to communicate with the workers.
कंपनी अंडर घेतले म्हणून आणि आमकां कंपनी अंडर बीन काय घेवन आमचे तेंच्यांनी फसोवन बीन सायन घेतल्या कितें आमकां सांगलें मागीर तुमी 6 म्हयन्या उपरांत तुमी एडोकोच्या अंडर आहा म्हणून लागले डायरेक्ट
एडोको म्हणून कितें
एडोको म्हणून कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर म्हणून कोण तो पणजेचो त्याच्या अंडर आहा म्हणून लागले आमी वगीर रावले तरी पूण मागीर म्हणूं लागलो ना तुमी आनी 6 म्हयने काडा 1 वर्स जालें की आपूण तुमकां जॉयनिंग लेटर दिता सॅलरी बीन सगळें वाडयता म्हणून सांगलें आता 1 वर्स जावन गेले तो कांयच आवाजूच काडिना आमचे.
They have demanded confirmation letter as soon as possible. Some of the workers claim that migrants are confirmed in the company unlike the locals.
1 महिना जालो कंपनी अंडर हे करून वर्स जावन अजून तेंच्यांनी कांयच करूं ना. आमचें म्हणणें इतलें आसा की आमकां कंपनी अंडर घेवची आनी आमकां जी कितें फॅसिलिटी आहा ती मेळची म्हणून आनी पेमेंट बी वाडोवचो म्हणून.
आमच्या गांवांत कंपनी आनी हांगा पयशे खावंक येयला आता जो पर्यंत ही कंपनी आता हांगा चालू चलता ती आमी हांगा घाट्यांक हाडून बंद करतले जाल्यार समज जर आमची मागणी पुरी जायना जाल्यार आनी तो पर्यंत आमी भितूर कशेंच वयचे ना.
Our reporter from Pisule, Uday Parab.
And now news from sports. Government College Pedne's hard work paid off on Tuesday in the intercollegiate Kabaddi finals as both the men's and women's teams emerged gems. The finals had identical teams in Government College Pedne and GVM's Ponda squaring off against each other. And the results were the same in both the matches. Government College Pedne's men's team won by a scoreline of 49-15, while the girls' match went down to the wire and ended 23-21. This tournament was organized by the Goa University at the Taligaon grounds.
It was an intense battle between the boys from Government College Pedne and GVM's College Ponda. But the Pedne side looked far more composed and organized in their raids as well as defense. The result was a strong win for the boys from Pedne, their first ever Kabaddi championship at the university level. Here are a few highlights. Captain of Government College Pedne, Mahesh Gowli, spoke to Prudent after the win.
आम्ही पुढे सरत राहतात. आम्ही 3 वर्सां झाली 2 वर्सां ट्राय करता मेडला 2 वर्सां मेळून आमचे युनिव्हर्सिटीचे आणि आमच्या असोसिएशनचे नॅशनल क्लॅश जातात दोन्ही आणि आमचे प्लेयर नॅशनला पार्टिसिपेट जातात त्या खातीर आमकां हांगा परफॉर्म करपाक प्लेयर्स मेळनात. सो आमी 2 वर्सां आमच्याकडे नॅशनल प्लेयर आसून सुद्दां आमी जिखूंक पावनात. लास्ट वर्स म्हाजे टीवाय हांव तरी आमी जिखल्यात आणि उमेदीन आणि म्हाकाय बरें दिसता आणि माझे सगळे ग्रुप आसा तांकां सगळ्यांक बरें दिसता आमी जिखल्यात त्या खातीर.
The GVM girls took on the same opponents as their fellow college mates but made a better contest of it than the boys in the finals. Here are a few highlights. Captain of Government College Pedne girls team Ansi Rodrigues along with the college's physical education director Sam Braganza shared their feelings too.
First time when we were having our usual practice, that time we had gone through many injuries. Yet our sirs like Umesh sir, Sam sir, in spite of being that he had somewhere else a match, he yet managed our practices and all. And as a captain, vice captain and all our team, we did an excellent job.
Our college has been created a hat-trick now. It is the last 3 years that they have winning. They have practiced really hard. As she said, I was not available. I was gone to the official duty from the university as the manager of the hockey team. But our girls have done an excellent job along with the boys.
Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Sarvesh Veluskar from Taligaon.
A regular at the major marathon events in the country, Sangeeta Yadav was head and shoulders above the pack in the Women's Open at the Goa River Marathon. Sangeeta, however, was not happy with her timing. The Western Railways employee is looking forward to coming back in the 2012 event.
Here is Sangeeta running the 21-kilometer half marathon in Sunday's second edition of the Goa River Marathon. She was, however, disappointed with her timing, which Sangeeta feels is because of lack of recovery from the last event in Delhi.
टाइमिंग बहुत ख़राब है क्योंकि इजी लगाया, अभी दिल्ली मैराथन लगाई थी तो रिकवरी नहीं हुआ था.
आपका बेस्ट टाइम क्या है?
1 hour 21 minutes 53 seconds.
और आज आपने क्या टाइम किया?
आज किया है 1 hours 28 minutes 57 seconds.
तो आप नेक्स्ट मैराथन कौन सा करने वाली हैं?
अभी मुंबई मैराथन नेक्स्ट करेंगे.
और ये आपके लिए एक अच्छा प्रिपरेशन जैसा होगा?
हाँ, प्रिपरेशन जैसा एक अच्छा रहा.
कैसा ट्रेन करती है आप फुल टाइम एथलीट है या आप जॉब करके?
फुल टाइम एथलीट है, जॉब भी करते हैं. वेस्टर्न रेलवे मुंबई में मेरा जॉब है और ऑलरेडी मैं 10 साल से स्पोर्ट्स कर रही हूँ, तो इसलिए कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुई मैराथन कंप्लीट करने में.
और इंटरनेशनल्स में आपका क्या ख्याल है?
इंटरनेशनल में मैं जूनियर से खेली हूँ, जूनियर एशिया 5 किलोमीटर. बाकी 800 खेली हूँ 2008 में एशियन स्टार मीट. बस 2 टूर मेरा लगा हुआ है. ऑलरेडी मैं इंटरनेशनल हूँ.
और आपका फ्यूचर प्लानिंग क्या है? आपने मैराथन्स आपके नेक्स्ट ईयर के लिए चॉकआउट किया, आप कौन से पार्टिसिपेट करने वाली हैं?
नेक्स्ट ईयर तो दिल्ली एयरटेल भागूंगी और मुंबई भागूंगी और बाकी अहमदाबाद गोवा भी आऊँगी नेक्स्ट ईयर.
Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Sushant Pearl and reporter Surendra Markaikar from Vasco.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media.